This is the continuation of previous height method video, and in this video I will explain about the how to set the height of element using the function. So what is our syntax is $of height of function index and current height. So for that purpose I creating the $of hash b1 click function. Here hash b1 is our button. So our first button name is ID is b1. So I am putting as the b1 here. Dot click function $of p. I want to increase the size of the p paragraph. I want to set the size of the paragraph. So after that height, within the height we are writing the function. So in the function we are passing the two argument n comma c. What is the meaning of n here? What is the syntax? N is the index and c is the current value. Okay, n is the index and c is the current value. What is our current value? For the paragraph height 100 pixels. So here height is the 100 pixels. Every time we are clicking the button, height is increased to 20 pixels. Okay, 20. So return c plus 20. So 100 plus 20, 120. 120 is returned to the function and height is set back into the 120. So save the document and run once. So click on the height first button. So increase it the 20, increase it the 20, increase it the 20. Like this way we can set the function height using the height of the element using the function. Now I am not passing the any value here and I am simply passing the function and return 20. Now what is return 120. Return 160, sorry, 160. What is the it is was or not? So observe the output. I am not passing the any arguments. So like this way we can set the height also. So in the first method we are increasing the current height with the 20 pixels addition. Now we are setting the directly to the element height. So within the function we are not passing the any arguments. Now we have the one more thing is there. So return the height of the document and window. Oh sorry. So remove these things and return the height of the document and window elements. How to return the current height of the document and window elements? So button click function $of hash span1 dot txt $of window dot height. We have the two methods. So what it returns the window height, it returns the document height. So for that purpose I am creating the one paragraph here. One paragraph. So within the paragraph the height of window is so I am putting the span here. Span ID equals to A1 ID equals to A1 and span. So use the BR here, BR for line break, and the height of document is ID equals to A2. Now observe the document dot $button click function. So hash of dollar of button click function. So dollar of b1 hash b1. So our button name is here b1 and click function dollar of dollar of span1 is text of dollar of window height. So what is the windows dot height? It returns the height of the window. So that is assigned to the text. Our text method is assigned that value into the our hash. What is our span1 ID? ID is A1 and span2 ID is span tag ID is A2. So document height, and so observe this one. First of all, this braces is belongs to this. This one is belongs to we're getting the error here. I'm removing this one. So function, this one is belongs to this one. This one is belongs to this one. And finally this one is belongs to this one, and this one is belongs to this one, right? So save the document and run once. So the height of the window is 637 pixel and height of the document is 692. Okay, like this way we can return the document height and width also. Once again observe our coding. Here I am creating the one paragraph with the height is the span ID equals to A1 and span ID equals to A2. So document.ready function hash of B1, whenever clicking the B1 button at that time this function is executed. Within the function we have the dollar of hash A1. Hash A1 means the span tag. Dot tag using the text method we are assigning the value to the span A1 variable A1. Okay, here dollar of window dot height. Here our window is our selector, document is our selector. It returns the document height, it returns the Windows height, and after the clicking the button our window height is saved here and that text is assigned to the A1. Okay, so remember the text and the HTML methods. So if you have any doubts about the text method, watch my previous videos. Thanks for listening.